How many of you think customer experience is important? Better see every hand in the room go up because that's this conference and why you're here. Customer experience is more important than ever. But I want to ask another question real quick. How many of you have had a bad customer experience in the last month? I've had 3 in the past week, all on the same airline, getting me late every single time. So yeah, customer experience is more important than ever. Why? Because we all still suck at it, right? We are trying to figure this out. We are trying to crack this code of customer experience. More data, big data, structured data, crazy data. Why does data matter? We've been hearing a lot about that this morning. Data is the key to unlocking your future. Data is the key to unlocking your customer. We have tons of data. Email data, social data, web, advertising, mobile, the list goes on and on and on. You heard B2B, B2C, the sources just continue. We have so much data about our customers, and guess what? We still all suck at customer experience. We've all had those bad experiences, and we're trying to figure it out. We're trying to figure it out. How can we have all of this data and still be terrible? This is the second time you guys have seen this slide, so I'm actually happy it's only the second time. There's a lot of great technology companies that are out there that are trying to help us. In fact, there's actually pushing over 2,000 now in the marketing tech, and if you add the ad tech space, this gets even crazier inside of that. How can we still be struggling with this? Because each one of these, while important, they help drive innovation in our marketing that we're working on. What does this give us when we take a look at it? Whenever we add a new thing, it gives us a dashboard. And what's the last thing we need? Another dashboard. Because dashboards lead to analysts. Analysts lead to cost. And guess what? We've tried that, and it doesn't work. We all still suck at customer experience. Now's the time. Now is the era of a marketing revolution that is starting to happen, where technology alone will not simply solve our problems. Transformation must occur. Transformation's part technology, but also part process and part culture. Now's the time to start putting that technology to work for you. Now is the time to delight your customers with those amazing experiences. How? It is by putting data to work for you, by looking to the future. If data is the key, then predictive marketing really is that lock. And you must unlock your customers or your customers' customers for them. I don't need another dashboard. I need insights that tell me what to do next. What offer does this customer need? What ad should I show them? Are they at risk of churning? How do I best serve my customer? Marketing at the wrong time or marketing with the wrong message that I don't care about is spam. There's a reason those ad blockers have come out is people are feeling spammed. While it's terrible and we've got to deal with that, we also have to make sure we're delivering a service through the ads and the content that we deliver to customers. That marketing at the right time with that right message is that service. The challenge of this conference here in the next 2 days is to become more customer-centric. But what does that mean? How can you truly do that? We started with a simple question when we started working with Real and their agency. How do we activate our fans across the globe? 450 million fans, most of which don't live in Spain. How do we activate them and bring that passion, that feeling of the game to them? So we partnered with them on our first step of making a mobile application, cross-platform, cross-device, where we live stream the games to the individuals. But not only live stream, you actually pick which camera angle you're watching the pitch from. We also took advantage of that. Nobody likes watching sports alone, right? Watching sports alone is boring. If you've ever watched a football game by yourself, it can be kind of depressing if your team's losing, versus you can yell at the refs if you're with a group of people. So we wanted to bring people together around this. That was part of the goal. So how do we turn around and connect people to their local Real bar? How do you find your local bar where you can come together around this experience that we're creating? This has now started to open up all kinds of opportunities through machine learning and gathering data, where I can now start seeing what players people are following based on which cameras they're accessing throughout a game. Can I kind of predict Who's your favorite player? Which ones could I then service up ads to you, an e-commerce layer around things like a jersey and other things that you might purchase because I've been able to understand who you like and what you like about the game. We're now also starting to explore not only the digital world, but how do we bring that into the physical world at the stadium as well, where we're working on things like leveraging indoor 3D positioning where we can tell where a fan is accurate to 3 feet, and now we can start servicing up digital signage around that to the individual. But then also some other really cool stuff around some vision analytics where we can actually tell you what the wait times are at different concession stands or the bathroom, so you can monitor it from your phone and figure out where to go. If I want a beer and a pretzel, do I go to that concession stand that's got a 20-minute wait, or do I go to the next one around the corner that's got a 5-minute wait? The beauty of this is it's using analytics, it's using digital to bring the customer experience to life. I don't want to be in a line and miss the goal. I want to get through, and the cool thing about this is it brings together the brand and the customer at the heart of it.